query is, during the course of our life, we may learn few things from one guru, and we may happen to come across somebody else also. So, is that is fine to go on with this kind of learning, moving from one guru to another guru?
It will not be possible. That means you were never with the guru. Either you thought the personality was guru, or you got charmed by somebody else who looked better, spoke better English. You can never leave someone who speaks the truth.
No, it's not that about the language, but I don't know. I maybe my question is not clear. What I mean to say is, we do. I do read many books of many great people. Okay, so when I realize something else, then I also get interested with them and start moving in that area as well. And then when I read something else, then I move in this way as well. So
It's
is that the
Aparavidya.
right way to go?
It is Aparavidya. Like you read Robin Sharma, you will start buying his books. You read Deepak Chopra, I'll buy his books. Ultimately, they will become rich at our cost. But what lesson we got? That is the key. Whether even from any of the Aparavidya teachers also, what lesson we have got? Maybe we have a lot of money and we don't know how to spend, or maybe a lot of time. So we go from one satsang to the other satsang. So when I'm talking about Guru, is something like Nityanand Bhagavan of Ganesh Puri, or Purnananda Swamiji of Sri Sailam, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Ramana Maharishi, that kind of stature people are there. Or you study with great teachers like Dayananda Saraswati. So what happens when they drop the body? If you are in the vicinity of a great teacher, they would have given you hint whom to go and continue your study. But on our own deciding who will be my next teacher, maybe it is okay going from one yoga studio to another yoga studio. But this subject, it's extremely difficult to do because, I'll give you an example. Suppose your teacher was teaching you about how Ramanujacharya approached Bhagavad Gita. Suddenly you go to a teacher who is teaching you Bhagavad Gita based on how Adi Shankara is trying to do. We will not be able to reconcile also. That's one gross example. Correct? So preferably we try to stick to a tradition and go in. And it is like a good quality or a bad quality. You need to be sticking with one. Everything else needed will automatically start organizing around. So if you notice, people engaged with Ramana Maharishi and wrote books. People engaged with Nisargadatta Maharaj and wrote books. People engaged and listened to Ramakrishna and people wrote books. They themselves have rarely written. Like Ramana has written about the essence of things. Correct? So that is a different kind of an approach. And we have to be very clear. See, if our goal is to know who we are, that the more and more clear you will get, the more and more the level of the teacher whom we can appreciate, we will get. So much we need not worry. So my request always is, how did we find our school teacher? We had no idea this person is our teacher. Till 2 days back, we thought that's an aunt who is living in the next street. When your mom goes out with you, you said hi, she also said hi. After 2 days, you are seeing her in the school as your teacher. So we have absolutely no idea. So I think in one of the batches also I was saying, our work is only sincere preparation. Like how you get campus placement offer. The company will come in search of you. The real guru will know where you are. They will come in search of you. Because to become a guru is not that difficult than finding a disciple. Please understand. Adi Shankara identified 4 people. So, why I'm telling you this, our whole life should go in only preparation. It's like sharpening of the axe. 6 hours you sharpen the axe, for the 10 minutes you can cut the tree. Like that only. We can do entrance exam preparation for 1 year, 6 months. But to write a 3-hour exam, we prepare so much, right? Like that, we should keep preparing ourselves for life. So when we studied today about this Saucha, Yama, Niyama, and all those things, when we are studying, we should say how long, how much deep I wish to practice all that to see that for myself. So in those things, the way we show intent, that is the kind of the teachers also slowly will start getting. But technically, what I have seen is today, most of the living teachers in the Advaita Sampradaya are tracing back to either the Sringeri Mutt, they all are associated. The Dasanama Sannyasis are all from the Shankara Sampradaya only. So wherever you go and study, like my teacher's teacher used to tell, the head gear only will be different. The head will be the same. Correct? No. See, when you say I am a Josephite, what does it mean? Without saying some qualities, you understand what a Josephite is. So I studied in Loyola College. I studied in Stanford. That means some things which you are able to decipher or assume without somebody telling more, right? Like that, when you go and study with a particular teacher, the next teacher will easily understand what they have taught you. When I'm using the word teacher, it's actually a guru here. So my request would be focus on preparation. Eventually, leave the teacher to find you. The guru will find you. So we don't need to absolutely worry about it.
Fine.